Hey, what's going on? This is the video for breathe in, breathe out, and a small reading section on PCR, which stands for photosynthesis and cellular respiration 1.5 in McGraw-Hill. So going to the assignment at the top of it is where the link is for YouTube, and then there are a few questions to answer on that, and then the overview of the PCR 1.5 is a McGraw-Hill section with a few questions. So when we first go into the video, basically it is a Bronthymol blue liquid, and a individual is going to be breathing gas inside of it.
Okay. So this is bromothymol blue mixed with water. We're adding carbon dioxide from the student's breath. And you can see it changing color. Awesome.
If you'd like to see that demonstration again, you'll be able to see that demonstration by just watching the video again, rewinding it. So what are the changes that you observed in the solution? You should observe the solution changing from blue to a green yellow color. What do you think caused the changes in the solution? So the person blowing inside of it was adding their breath to it, and that is also a gas. Why do you think the air you inhale is different from the air that you exhale? So we know that when we need energy, that we inhale more. After you've run, after you have done something strenuous, you breathe deeply and you breathe quickly, and that is your body making an effort to take in oxygen, use it, mix it with the sugars inside of you, and get energy. So when you're sitting at your desk, you want to think about jogging. Which activity do you breathe more often? You breathe more often by jogging. And then what is the relationship between the rate of breathing, oxygen, and the body's need for energy? So the relationship would be when you need more oxygen, you need more energy, you breathe faster. When your body does not need as much energy, you tend to breathe slower. So which is why when you're sleeping, your body's in a rested state and you are breathing slowly. However, if you're playing a sport, if you're playing tag, if you're running outside or something like that, you're going to be needing more energy, you're going to be breathing faster, and your body's going to need more oxygen to start using the fuel, the food, the sugar that is inside your body. And when I say the word sugar, I'm using it as a generic term for all food. Going on to the second section. So in the second section, you can pause the video if you want to read through this. The first question asks, Describe cellular respiration. Anytime you see where it says describe in a vocabulary term, it is just asking you for a kind of like a definition, maybe even to be saying it in your own words. So cellular respiration is basically when you take food and you turn it into energy using oxygen. Next question asks, what is glucose? And glucose is another name for sugar. And then the last question, as cells are using energy, ATP, to power the cell, what are two waste products? And if we go down here, the cells use ATP to power the cell, and the two waste products are water and carbon dioxide. And if you kind of think about this, the water and the carbon dioxide idea, if you think about this idea, anytime you see somebody doing something vigorous, they're breathing heavy, they're exhaling carbon dioxide, which is, carbon dioxide is, turning this chemical a yellowish green. And they're also, the water is coming out of their forehead or other spots as sweat. And that is the waste products as your power is, as your cells are using energy. So that's a basic coverall of the 2 section of the breathe in, breathe out section.